Next Intent is a high-precision CNC and EDM machine shop. We work in the defense, aerospace, space industries. We do parts that are on 3 different missions on Mars. For Mars rovers, we have the wheels and chassis components. A year and a half ago, we built the red camera assembly for the giant Magellan telescope. It took 11 months. The end item data package was 1,500 pages, and all of that data was collected through 1factory. The primary deciding factor with 1factory was the quality of the product. Solving our queue time for parts to get through QA was a big factor. Every minute, every hour counts. And then getting that data package to the customer with complete accuracy. We take that super seriously here.
We were going to go with another company's software. The implementation time was about 9 months. That was way too long. And 1factory, they were getting it to work within the first day. Within 20 minutes, I had already bubble printed the parts, created plans and inspection sheets already.
The software worked just like the demo.
1factory has made things a lot easier for me. The ability to have everyone on the same version, have that document control, the data control, the ability to audit where things are entered. It's made things to where I have a lot more confidence in the data that I'm looking at and that we're eventually sending to the customer.
We used to have a lot of errors in our paperwork, and that virtually went away overnight with 1factory.
Since we've been using 1factory, we've done over 500 AS9102 FAIR forms. It's made that process so much easier.
It used to take at least half hour, an hour for longer FAIR forms, and now I can do it within minutes.
1factory has influenced our collaboration by giving us a single point to refer to. You know, we go to 1factory for everything. It's got all of our documents, has all of our measurement data, has all of our gauge data, and we know that if I pull up a drawing, if I pull up results, it's going to be the same on my system as it's going to be on someone else's.
1factory understands the kind of work that we do. It's more of a partnership than it is a supplier relationship with a vendor. We truly have solved some big problems that are good for the whole industry and good for every other machine shop that's going to be using 1factory. And that feels really good to be part of that.